Hello, this is the journal I made from a kit that I received from Sherry at Studio 28E. This kit is called Magnificent Magnolias. The journal is a 3-signature journal with a hidden spine. The cover is a cereal box covered with a table runner, and these flowers on the table runner reminded me of magnolias in bloom. I added some lace along the edge, and I put the table runner inside and out. Signature covers are covered in scrapbook paper, and then I have some inserts. Mostly this will be a flip through, so enjoy. I printed Lipid Digitals on both sides. A little bit of stenciling there. So the background pages are just as beautiful as the other pages. It's just a little scrappy notebook. This is from an old magazine. I just threw a piece of paper in there so you could see that it's a little tuck. This is the second signature. There's 2 pages of the branches. This one is more vivid. The next one is a little bit more washed out. This is just some letterhead. This is some magnolias that I had printed on fabric. And I have just a journal card in there. Beautiful pockets and tags in the kit. Quite a few pages of ephemera. I didn't print all of the pages for this journal. There's a lot more than what you see here. I like that the white magnolia was included. These are just some extra pieces of scrapbook paper when I cut down the extra pages. So I threw those in there. Beautiful collage paper. That's a napkin. I only have a few of those napkins, so I use them very sparingly. We'll have some old-fashioned computer paper I like to use up. So I put that in every journal. A little book, a double tag made into a book. The words also come along in the kit. This is the 3rd signature. Again, a journal card with a napkin. Coloring page. Some more of the little cards in a double tuck. And this is my favorite page, the washed out branch. There's a flip-flop. Some one of the edges along there. There's a belly band. I like to put a paper bag in every time. It's a beautiful page, isn't it? Little pocket there. And another large journal tag that I had. There's a pocket. And there's that beautiful page again. And in the back of the last signature is my writing board, and it has the yellow magnolia on one side and the pink on the other. I like to laminate a digital and put a writing board in every journal that I make. Thank you so much for watching this little flip through of Magnificent Magnolias. I hope you enjoyed it. You give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.